to living large camping. We spent the last 11 nights camping in various off-grid spots around Colorado, enjoying the beautiful fall colors and the cool mountain air. 11 nights is the longest we've spent off the grid without a little bit of a reset in between, so we are long overdue for a day to just fully clean the camper, clean ourselves, and just reset everything for the next couple of weeks. We're going to bring you guys along with us, and I think it's going to be a good spot. Our Lance 815 does have pretty small tanks. It's only 11 gallons of gray water and 10 gallons of black water. So 11 nights is a very long time for us without dumping in between. We usually can make it around a week, so we've been pushing it the last few days. And it's because most of the places around here will only let you dump if you're staying at the campground. So we found a campground that is pretty close and they have enough amenities that we can take advantage of it. Excited to bring you guys along and just fully reset in the camper.
You also know it's been way too long when your laundry looks like this. I'm very excited to get to this campground. At least the view's good behind you.
Could be a lot worse. It's not raining. That usually happens.
We just arrived to the campground, and the first thing we did after checking in is dump our tanks. We were the most full that we have ever been because we were boondocking for, I think it was 11 or 12 days, that Connor said, and now we are refilling our tanks with some fresh water. We'll pull into our site and show you guys around.
So we have sensors in the camper that show us if our tanks are full or not, but our black tank always shows full, and our gray tank is pretty inaccurate as well. We have one little mark left on our freshwater tank, which means it's pretty empty. We do have 24 gallons of fresh water, so we're gonna go ahead and top it off. That way we've got all kinds of water to do dishes and whatnot at the camp.
Made it!
Made it. That was an easy drive today, only about 45 minutes away from the last place that we were camped. We are all set up now, and it is time for us to shower. It's pretty rainy today and overcast, so we're gonna go ahead, get cleaned up, have a relaxing evening, and then we'll show you guys around tomorrow. See you then.
You say that something's got to give. You say it's one way to live. Yet you sit and wait for better days. I think we must push through the gray. Hold me closer than the wind. Let me be the orchid. Have me every second. We'll be the orchids. Oh, earth spins, seeds grow and people go. Yes, things end to start again.
Holy doggy hair.
All from you. Good morning, everybody. We are both showered, clean, and rested, and it is time for the rest of our full reset day. We're gonna start this morning by doing a huge load of laundry. We have sheets, towels, almost everything in the camper. We're gonna get that started, and then we're gonna go explore the campground.
weren't kidding when we said we have a lot of laundry to do today. So, let's get to it.
Gotta get it done.
Baby, I believe, but hold me closer than the wind. Let me be the orchid, or have me every second will be the orchid.
We just started 2 loads. Like I said earlier, they are pretty small, so it is going to take a while. We're going to check back in like 30 or 40 minutes to see if they're finished so we can get the next load going. But for now, I'm just walking back, getting Barky, and we're going to take him on his morning walk. Got him. Time to explore.
Life is life, not everything can be right at once. No matter the height, we'll get there, I'm sure. Oh, just hold me closer than the wind. Let me be the orchid, oh, have me every second will be the orchids, oh, just hold me closer than the wind. Let me be the orchid.
We are staying at Kepler Corner, which is just outside of Somerset, Colorado. The weather today is beautiful and we are so thankful for it. The reason we are staying at Kepler Corner is because they have everything on site. They have laundries, showers, nice bathrooms, a general store, tons of campgrounds with plugins, as well as cabins along the river. So we're excited to show you guys more around this place, and we're just thankful for a reset day.
Kepler's Corner has 22 full hookup RV sites. They've also got 10 electric only sites, which is where we're staying. And then there are 6 tent camping sites right along the river. They also have 6 different cabin options. If you don't want to camp here, it is kind of tucked down in this little valley. So there are mountain views all around, which is really nice. And we are having a great time here so far.
Our last 2 loads of laundry have just finished, so we're gonna go switch them over into the dryer. As you can tell, we have some hang drying right now. Some things we don't like to dry that are a little bit nicer for us, so that's why we hang dry them, but let's go get the last 2 loads done.
We still have 2 full dryers worth of clothes and towels and blankets, but our sheets are dry, so that means we can at least go make the bed, and then we can use the bed for folding and putting away clothes. So let's go make that.
When we do get to our camper, we're gonna show you guys how messy it is right now because we don't usually show that, and it looks like a tornado hit our place. We're gonna get it a little bit more organized. I don't even know if showing you guys gives it justice for how crammed and messy this place feels. It is 100 square feet, so when anything's out of place, it just feels really small and tight, but we're fixing that today.
It's been, I don't know, close to 3 weeks probably since we've actually done any serious cleaning and reorganizing of the camper. And you know, you just take things out and you don't put them back exactly where they're supposed to be, so things pile up and it's time to fix all that.
Old days, I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much, until I realized we were different types.
Looks great.
Well, my workout for the day, done. We finally got our last load of laundry back from the dryer, so we're gonna go ahead and put all of that away, and that's one huge step in helping us organize the rest of this camper, is just starting with our full clothesbins and hanging closet and all of that ready to go for the next few weeks.
Since we've been busy organizing the camper and putting away all of our clean laundry, we talked to one of the managers here and she explained to us that there are a couple wineries and ciders along the road here. There was one that is extremely close, so we figured we would go drive to it, check it out, reward ourselves with a drink and some food.
Different triggers scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait.
In line with the theme of our reset day, we've also been cooking every meal from breakfast to dinner for about the last week, so we decided to step away from our tiny kitchen and come have a cider. We also picked up some sweet potato fries and some pork green chili, and then we'll probably get actual dinner later. This looks really good and this place is awesome. Cheers, guys.
This place is so cute. We ordered some gluten-free chicken tenders, which is awesome, but they have so many activities. You can walk and pick apples or just walk around. There are 30 acres. You can also camp here, which is pretty cool. And I'm eyeing these swings, so I'm gonna do that right now.
Crying till I realize that I am needs. Need you, didn't mean. Well, that's all days. Now that we see each other, can we slow down, start over? Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. It's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together. No one's perfect, but we are perfect.
These things are huge. I mean, does that show you? Here.
I mean, I know she got a big head and all, but dang. That's
Oh
crazy.
my goodness.
Good morning, everybody. Before we roll out of this campground today, they do have their own private hike just at the far end of the campground, so I think that's what we're gonna do this morning.
They said it is beautiful and only about a mile or so hike. We're just gonna enjoy getting our heart rate up this morning and see what we can see.
Go check it out.
Connor's up ahead just a little bit because Sparky's just taking his time, but he says the view is beautiful.
guys, we figured this is as good a place as any to go ahead and close out the video. Thank you guys for coming along with us as we did a full reset day. It was far needed, and it just is gonna make this next week so much better in the camper.
We are gonna shower again today because why not take advantage of them? But like he said, we are clean and ready for a new adventure, so we can't wait to see you guys next video. We will link this campground for you guys to check out. It is a hidden gem, and we saw a couple ciders and wineries along the way, so honestly, we couldn't recommend it anymore.
Thanks again for being here. Hope you have a large day. We'll see you next video.
Thanks for watching, guys.